Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change your primary email address on LinkedIn. So from your home page, you're going to click on Me, then click on Settings and Privacy. From there, on the left-hand side, click on Sign In and Security. Then at the top, you'll see email addresses. And here you'll see the emails that you've added to your account. So you might just have one email address, which is your primary email. We might already have added secondary emails. If you already have secondary emails, you can click on one of them to make it a primary email address. If you haven't, you can add another email address. And when you do that, when you click on this tab, you'll be prompted to sign in again, and you'll have to click on a verification code, and then you can click to make the new email address primary. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.